Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have three dolls that I just want to fix up. First doll I have is Nighty Night Jade. Oh, she's so sultry. I love that. Next doll is Wild Wild West Dana, and her hair is so poofy, and but it's once it's all straightened, it looks so good. And then the last doll I have to fix up is Wild Wild West Yasmin, and her hair is actually perfect, but I want it straight. And yeah, so I'm gonna oil wash these and then dress them up and stuff, and I think that's gonna be really fun. So continue watching if you want to see that. There's something in the woods. There's something in the woods. If you know the Blair Witch Project, that's what I'm referencing, because I'm in the dark right now, but now so I'm here with my sister Sarah, and she's gonna watch me boil dolls. Yep. So now I have the dolls, the three of them right here. I have the dolls right here just drying. They're gonna dry overnight. I put their hairstyles exactly the way I want them to look after they dry, and then I brush it out, and they're gonna be pencil thin, or whatever the saying is. The hair is gonna be so straight on these dolls, and it's gonna look so good. So I'll show you guys in the I'll show you in the morning what they look like. So yeah. So it's the next day, and their hair is so silky smooth. Look at that. She's so much better now. So now I'm gonna dress them up, and I have some of their pieces and stuff, but I don't think that's very fun. It's just, I'm not that kind of collector. I just like dressing them up. So I gave this Nighty Night Jade just a very simple outfit. and then some bare feet that kind of don't really match her skin. But she's just simple, but she's so cute. I feel like I made her into like, gave her this side bang, and she's just like, I really want to go to bed, and no one brought me any popcorn. I then dressed my Wild Wild West Yasmin in a pink top and a small little mini skirt, and then these pink heels. I don't know what anything goes to what, but I just feel like she should still be in that theme. And I just like dressing them up. I like having all the clothes, but like I like mixing and matching. I think that's the fun part about like dolls and stuff. Look how cute she looks. I would like some like lace or something right here, and then I feel like I would be so content with that. Or like stockings or something, like just up to her like knees. But she's still super cute. This outfit is so cute. So that's what I put together. But last but not least, I have my Wild Wild West Dana. She's wearing a purple top. This is a mycene jacket, but I just kind of folded up her on the arm, so it like, I don't know, I felt like she looked naked without like a shirt or anything, so pretty sure this bottom is Wild Wild West Fiana's, and then some cowboy boots. They're white. I don't know what line they are, but I just think she looks really cute. And then next to Yasmin, they look so cute. Oh my god, they look so cute. So thanks for watching. That was fun. And if you liked it, subscribe and like the video, and I'll be making more. So thank you.